So this week we are talking about anticipation and obviousness of patents. And basically, anticipation is when someone files a patent that refers to or disclose another invention that was previously already said. And if you do that, then most likely your application will be rejected because your claim lacked novelty. And obviousness is when differences between the subject matter sought to be patented and the prior that art that are such that the matter as a whole would have been obvious at the time the invention was made to a person having ordinary skill in the art. So basically, when you disclose information about your patent, you want to be able to have someone that's not an expert in your field, but someone knowledgeable to where they will understand the basics of what your patent does. And basically, in this week's research of the patents, we see examples of obviousness, particularly the hot and cold drink. And basically, that one was like, for me, it was the most obvious in terms of me understanding the basics of what it does. So it has these diagrams saying, like, the sleeve would prevent moisture, blah blah blah, and it's really cool because not only was the diagram super clear about how the sleeve was made, but there was really clear and concise annotations about what the sleeve kind of does. And in terms of anticipation, like basically all these patents are really specific about what they do. So then any other forms of, like, if someone were to like somehow remake these inventions and file a patent for it, then it would be rejected because they're already using the idea that someone has already made. However, if you have like a improvement, then it won't be rejected. Say we have example, we have like a patent discussed, basically the sleeve with the air gap. Since a sleeve with an air gap wasn't really invented, then you can have the right to reinvent a sleeve but have improvements, and that is when it's allowed versus something that you're just basically replicating an idea.